Hey there, lefties! Did you know that being left-handed makes you part of an exclusive club? Today, I'm diving into some mind-blowing facts about left-handed people that you probably didn't know. First off, only about 10% of the world's population is left-handed. That means you're a rare gem. And it gets even more interesting, studies show that lefties are more likely to be geniuses. Yep, Einstein and Leonardo da Vinci were left-handed. Did you know that lefties are better at multitasking? The left-handed brain is more adaptable, making you guys superstars at juggling multiple tasks at once. It's like having a superpower. Ever noticed how some sports have a lot of left-handed champions? That's because lefties are often unpredictable opponents, giving them an edge in sports like tennis, boxing, and baseball. Go Team Lefty! Here's a cool fact. Left-handed people tend to recover from strokes faster. Since your brains are wired differently, they can often rewire themselves more effectively after an injury. That's resilience for you. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Lefties often face a world designed for right-handed people. From scissors to desks, it can be a challenge. But hey, overcoming these hurdles just makes you stronger, right? One more thing, left-handed people often have better memories. So if you can recall everything from last week's grocery list to that random fact about penguins, thank your left-handed brain. Alright, that's a wrap on some fascinating lefty facts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.